In this video, I will show you how to mask filters. First, I will show you the regular way to have a dynamic effect when you are dealing with filters. I will press Ctrl J to duplicate the background, and then I will go to Filter, something like Pixelate, Crystallize, for example. Choose the cell size, then click OK. Now, if I want to bring back the eye and the background, I can make a mask, then press P to choose the brush. Make sure you are choosing the black, and then click right there, and of course click here to bring back the background. But this is, for my opinion, not a professional way. I will show you another better way. Let me delete this by pressing backspace and convert this layer to smart object. And now again go to filter, and you can play with any filter you like, including filter gallery of course, but let me stick with the previous example, and let's choose pixelate, crystallize, then click OK. And now you can click right there and choose the filter mask, and you can mask the effect like that. The cool thing about converting the layer to smart object when you are dealing with filter is you have the flexibility to readjust the filter after doing it by simply double click here, and you can adjust the cell size as you want, click OK, and boom,